multiply the quantity 2x plus 1 times the quantity 3x squared minus 5x minus 3. Now this problem is written in the horizontal manner. We're going to rewrite it in the vertical manner. So we're going to write 3x squared minus 5x minus 3. And underneath that, write 2x plus 1, and then draw a line, and now multiply using the vertical method. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 1 times negative 5x is negative 5x. 1 times 3x squared is 3x squared. Now we multiply 2x times negative 3, that's negative 6x, so we line it up under the column that contains the x. We have 2x times negative 5x, that's negative 10x squared. We line it up in the column for x squared. Then we have 2x times 3x squared, that's 6x cubed, and that creates a new column for the cube. Now we add vertically, that's negative 3. Negative 5x minus 6x is the same as negative 5x plus negative 6x, which is negative 11x. 3x squared minus 10x squared is minus 7x squared. And then finally the 6x cubed. And so our final answer is 6x cubed minus 7x squared minus 11x minus 3.